Here's another gourmet tip brought to you by Jean from GarlicJoy.
We are making an encrusted chicken breast with GarlicJoy sun-dried tomatoes. First, we'll mix 4 tablespoons of the GarlicJoy sun-dried tomatoes with 1 cup of panko crumbs. Then coat the chicken breast and bake at 425 for 23 minutes. And voila, a beautiful entree ready to serve. See all our flavors of GarlicJoy spreads and the exciting ways you can use them at joyofgarlic.com and pick up some at your local grocer. All natural GarlicJoy. Spread the joy to your kitchen.